All right. What's going on, everybody? Y'all are going to want to check this one out. Brand new wallet design, just in time for Warrior Weekend. Check this out right here. All right, so we got the new layout right here. Ryan Weaver Freedom Leather Minimalist Wallet. Y'all check it out. Very, very rare sight to be able to see my job palette here. Give you a little behind the scenes of the great and powerful Oz. All right. Let's go turn that laser on. Fire this puppy up. All right, so we got her done. Look at that. Oh, sweet. What? The Ryan Weaver. Got her done. That thing looks good. Got your two front pockets right there. Boom. Pow. Got a little pocket on the inside that drops down in the middle. Got you a back pocket. Put your driver's license, concealed carry permit. That's where I keep my concealed carry permit. All right. Got a little opening right there so you can just like stick that driver's license out when you need to. Check it out, y'all. Woo! Just in time for Warrior Weekend. Get in on some of this. Listings coming. Stay tuned to the page. Listing will be up this week. Get your freedom. Ryan Weaver Leather Wallet. Minimalist. Own, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Till next time, we'll see y'all. I am out. Deuces.